I started playing po sa Cebu po when I was around 8 years old kasi yung mga kuya ko po they'd go home like and bring like medals, so like parang sabi ko sa family ko, gusto ko rin ganun. So yun po, yung summer po na yun, in-enroll po ako ng parents ko sa summer clinic sa Don Bosco, Cebu. So since all boys school po sila, ako lang po yung only girl. Tapos yun po, doon po nag-start. Ano lang po, sa summer lang po yun. Tapos after po nun, sa school ko po, sa STC, St. Teresa's College, doon po ako nag-play nung grade school, whole grade school po. Pero there was a time also na parang nag-join po ako nag-try out din po ako sa volleyball po saglit. Tapos bumalik po ako sa football kasi sabi doon po ng isa kong coach na, pumili ka ng isa. So yun, sa sa football of course. Parang after po nun, parang nagka-dream po ako, nag-set po talaga ako ng goal na gusto ko po mag-national team. Tapos from doon po, that's where I started taking it seriously. Tapos grabe, like sa train, serious na ako. Like, meron pa din naman pong kulitan, pero like, serious na talaga kasi may goal po ako na mag-national team. So doon po nag-start like nag-try out po sa Cebu Elite team. Tapos mag-join po kami ng Festival of Football sa San Carlos City. Tapos doon po kasi nagsuscout yung mga national team coaches ng players for the national team. So doon po nag-start. It felt so fulfilling po because like after all the hard work I've been putting into like training, like lahat po yung mga sacrifices nag-pay off po. Like worth it po talaga yung pinaghirapan ko kasi nakuha ko po yung goal ko. Tapos doon po nag-start. After po nun, nabigyan po ako ng scholarship for high school sa Ateneo de Cebu. Tapos from there din po, bigyan din po ako ng scholarship sa sa De La Salle Zobel for senior high. Tapos after po nun sa senior high, diretso na po sa DLSU sa Taft for college po na scholarship. It feels nice po kasi po kami actually, 6 po kami na magkakapatid. So nung nabigyan po ako ng scholarship from high school to now po na college, it feels nice po kasi makahelp po ako sa family ko, like financially din po. Since before, actually, like, nakakalaban ko po kasi yung kaya sa like sevens, gano'n. Tapos, always ko po nakikita na nagcha-champion po sila sa Women's League, gano'n. Like, dream ko rin po actually, sa kaya po kasi like, ang experience po ng mga players nila, tapos like, ang ganda po ng exposure nila. Pero like, I didn't expect it to come this soon. Pero it was really like a dream also to be here in Kaya. Nung nakuha ako sa Kaya, I was really like, I was happy, of course, but like super scared po. Not naman scared na like, pressured lang po kasi I know po na yung mga teammates ko maraming experience and like yung like different level po talaga, like yung environment and everything. So, I was scared kasi what if like hindi ako maka sa level nila.
And they're inside the penalty box! But Simpson is inside, denies that first, and another follow-up! And in goes that shot! The second goal of Kaya FC. Their long-awaited shot. And a long-range attempt, and it goes to the top left of the goal. She sets it up for her teammate. Don was there.
Last game na this weekend against MFC, and for sure there's gonna be a lot of pressure on us because like it's a must-win game for us. For us to become champions lang is to beat them this weekend, and it's gonna be really challenging because MFC naman, like they're a really young team and they're really energetic, like they have a lot of energy to give sa field. So I can say naman that we're prepared because we've been working hard in training. So for this game po against MFC, yung sinasabi po nila Ate Ina, we need to have that kind of energy towards the end of the game sa last few match. We need to have that kind of energy sa start pa lang ng game. And even before the game starts, dapat nandun na po yung energy because as what sila Ate Ina always says, winning the game starts even before you step in sa pitch. Last few games were really difficult and munti ka na pong mawala sa amin yung championship. Ngayon po nakaabot po sa last day na may chance pa po kami na mag-champion. Dapat po namin i-prove we're here for a reason. And this is like parang third chance na po actually na na makuha yung title. So dapat kayo po talaga namin yung lahat, because if we won't, wala na po. Like wala na po yung sa Champions League. So must win po talaga. Lagi po kasi kaming nire-remind ni Coach Yu na we have those, like yung bibs po kasi namin have those like AFC yung sa Champions League po. Tapos sabi po ni Coach Yu, we have these like some men's and women's, we have these for a reason. So let's prove it. Let's get it the championship again.